Hello everyone and welcome back to your favorite channel. In this video we're going to take a look at some of the best dashcam 5 best dashcam you can buy in 2023 available today. All the dashcam product buying links are given in the video description. But first subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's get started. Number 5, BlackVue R750X3CH Plus. Vehicle service type car. Connectivity technology USB. Special feature built-in GPS. Video capture resolution 1080p. Color black. Control method app. Product dimensions 1.1D x70W x67.5H. Optical sensor technology CMOS. Dual Starvis sensors in Full HD 1080p front 60, rear 30 frames per second. 139 view angle plus HT 720p 30 frames per second. Number 4, Mivue C570 car dash camera. Brand Mivue. Connectivity technology USB 2.0. Video capture resolution 1080p. Included components: quick start guide in vehicle mounting bracket in vehicle charger Mivue C570. Mounting type rotating mounting bracket. Control method app. Item weight 67.5 grams. Screen size 2. Optical sensor technology CMOS. Flash memory type microSD. Premium quality footage. The Mivue C570 provides Full HD 1080p footage with 150. Number 3, VIOFO T133 channel dashcam. Model name T130. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi. Special feature 3-channel. Front and inside and rear. 1 for 4OP plus 1080p plus 1080p. Rotatable inside camera, 3 parking modes, upgraded super night vision and WDR, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS-G, sensor and emergency lock, super capacitor, easy to install. 3-channel, 3-channel dashcam. Triple channel Uber dash camera T130 offers 140. Front camera 165, inside camera and 165, rear camera which records super high definition videos at 1 for 4OP plus 1080p plus 1080p at 30 fps, giving you all around protection. The low profile and small design won't attract the attention of others. All the lenses angles can be easily adjusted. This dashcam is a perfect partner for family driving, Uber, Lyft, rideshare, taxi drivers. Superior IR night vision T133-way dashcam is equipped with a high-performance Sony IMX335 Starvis sensor for the front and rear cam, Omnivision sensor for interior cam. Enhanced with 4 infrared LEDs and WDR technology, your driving view can be perfectly restored from both outside and inside in poor lighting conditions at night. Voice notification. The spoken English language voice notifications will remind users of the setting changes. Number 2, Rove R3 Dash Cam. Brand Rove. Vehicle service type minivan, car, truck. Special feature super capacitor. 3 IPS touchscreen, 5.0 and 2.4 GHz dual band Wi-Fi voice guidance, 3-channel recording super capacitor, 3 IPS touchscreen, 5.0 and 2.4 GHz dual band Wi-Fi voice guidance, 3-channel recording, video capture resolution 1 for 4OP. Mounting type adhesive mount. Color red, black. Control method touch. Product dimensions 1.57D x 3.86W x 3.07H. Item weight 0.4 pounds. Screen size 3. Experience the difference with Rove R3 is a 3-channel touchscreen dash camera for cars. This is all you need for any dashcam need and enthusiast, period. It has all the bells and whistles with an industry-changing design that features 3-inch IPS touchscreen with just a single power button, and the rest is done magically by Rove's custom design firmware of this dash camera. Beautifully designed and user-friendly yet super powerful. It took us 1.5 years to design this. So think about how meticulously we have designed it that we call it a smart dash camera that anyone can start using right out of the box. Note, the memory card is required and it is not included. Purchase separately supports micro SD class 10U3 speed up to 512 gigabytes max. Let's talk about all the bells and whistles. Here we go. It's got 3 IPS touch screen, 3-channel recording front plus cabin plus rear. The all new 2020 to Rove apps for iOS and Android, remote firmware updates, always on dual band 5.0 GHz and 2.4 GHz built in Wi-Fi for super fast transfer speed, built in GPS for live speed, compass and location stamps, proprietary fail-safe voice guidance. Supercapacitor offers safety and longer product life unlike other internal battery dash cams. More bells and whistles, 24 hours parking monitor, G sensor. Proprietary. Number 1 Vantrue S1 for K hidden dash cam. Vehicle service type BMW, Audi, Benz, Tesla, SUV, Toyota, trucks and pickup. Special feature built in GPS module, single 4K resolution, dual 1080p resolution, 24 hours parking mode, low light level night vision built in GPS module, single 4K resolution, dual 1080p resolution, 24 hours parking mode, L. Video capture resolution 1080p to 160p. Included components: 1x rear car camera with 20 feet rear cable, 1x 10 feet car charger front and rear camera bracket, adhesive stickers, 1x 3 feet mini USB cable, 1x front dash cam, 1x rear car camera with 20 feet rear cable, 1x 10 feet car charger front and rear camera BR. Single 4K dash cam. The single front recording capture crystal clear video at 4K 2880 by 2160p at 24 FPS or 1920 by 1080p at 60 FPS, which makes key details like roads